Welcome to the channel, I'm Yong. So today is a special video. It's about a natural shampoo that I'm going to review.
So this is the video footage that I found from Facebook. I saw it once and I found it very interesting. You see this lady squeezing out the slimy liquid out from the plant, and then she's using it to shampoo her hair. It looks interesting, so I decided to try it out. I finally got my plants. I just planted it in my yard, but it's still small. So my friend Lucy and June, they are giving me some from their house, squeezing out some. So today I'm going to find out how is the shampoo.
This one.
Excited for it.
So I've rinsed my hair. Let's see how it should be done. I hope I'll just use it as a replacement as my usual shampoo. So I just pour more into my hair. It's just like. Of course, I shouldn't expect that there will be a bubble like a usual chemical, usual home shampoo. But I hope I'll just put it in all. It's kind of a moisturizing bit. It's just like, so I'll pour it all into my hair and then just. Let me try to rub. There's a strong smell of I don't know. I don't know what is the smell of the ginger lily, but well, there's another name for the common name in Malaysia for ginger lily. Thanks to Tao, she checked and she told me that it's called Lempoyang. So I went to a local plant selling place, and then I was looking for it, and then luckily I found it. Then I realized that it's very common flowers that you can actually, a lot of people actually plant it at home. I can actually get it easily instead of buying it. Alright, I think that's it. Actually, it doesn't smell that bad. It smells good actually. So it's kind of like well, I don't know. I was expecting that it will give me a sense of like cleaning my hair. Maybe that's how it works for using the ginger lily flowers to wash my hair. Alright, let's rinse it. Alright, I think overall it's quite good. It feels like I have just put in the conditioner for my hair, like without the shampoo. Well, overall I'm quite happy with the thing. It's a good try. I feel that I should try it out for a few more times. So I hope that my ginger lily will grow well, and then can use it more often. Well, it's after the shower. So I'm gonna show you the ginger lily plant that I planted in my yard. Actually, I bought it. It's too small, maybe you find it too small. So this is the one. So if you squeeze it, actually comes up with some liquid. With some liquid. Not sure you can see it well.
but well, if you squeeze it, it comes up with. So we need to have a lot of the flowers, so that to get enough of the shampoo. Well, so I hope that this plant grows well. You wanna be in the video? You wanna shampoo as well? Okay. So if you're interested, if you are somewhere in Alosta, I can lead you to places to buy this plant as well. Okay. Or you can actually get it from a lot of people. Maybe you just need to get the name right. Maybe you just need to get the name right, because some of them, they don't really know the name. Like if you say ginger lily, they may think that they may not know this is the plant. So to Malay, this is Lempoyang. Alright. So well, my hair looks good. Okay, see you next time.